Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about if you are not receiving the notifications in your device Vivo Y33t, how you can solve it. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If you are not receiving the notifications of your device, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve the notification not receiving problem in your device Vivo Y33t. Let's watch the video.